The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, Bronx County in southeastern New York, New York Manhattan County in southeastern New York, southern Westchester County in southeastern New York, until 8:15 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., the public reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: public reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Yonkers, New Rochelle, Mott Haven, East Tremont, Ridgefield, Throgs Neck Bridge, Harlem, Riverdale, Co-op City, Fort Lee, Englewood, Bronxville, City Island, Upper West Side, Mount Vernon, Eastchester, Cliffside Park, Palisades Park, Mamaroneck, and Tenafly. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.